Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to generate product photos with AI model wearing your clothes. So we are going to use AI model and we are going to add cloth on it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut, so you can create account easily on it. On left side you see AI tool, so click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see create with AI, so click on it, and then you see many option. Now you see AI model, have an AI model try on clothes and create product images. Now you see, so click on it. Now you see try AI model with Pipit, generate video, generate product images, AI avatar, and then you see start your free trial to unlock this tool and get free credit, no credit card required. Now you see give it a try first, so click on it, so you can add your information, and then you see have AI model try on product virtually, so I got it, and then you see AI model, so click on it, and then you see AI model upload a clothing image and pick an AI model. We will generate realistic try on images for you. Now you see upload product image, so you can upload. Now you see sample, so we are going to upload, so click on it, upload from Royce. So this is our shirt image in PNG format. Now uploading. Now you see edit, and then you see models. Now select, so you can select model AI according to requirement. Now you see credit need 12, credit left 1800. So each model has different credit. Now you see 24, and then you see generate, so click on it. Now generating AI model may take some time. Now you see generated result. Now click on it. Now you see in different layout. So this is our image. If you want, you can add some styling, so it's up to you. So when we select on it like this, so we click on it, and then you see image show here. So this is our frame. Now you see, so you can increase or decrease size. So this is our AI model with our cloth. Now click on it, so you can download it, copy, paste, duplicate, delete. So you can do styling according to your requirement. So you can add filter effect. So you can check out all option. Now you see smart tool. So we are going to download all. So click on it. Format PNG, JPG. So it's up to you. PNG we select. Now you see size. If you want, you can select transparent background or compress file. Download. Now downloading. Now click on save. Now download done. Open it. So this is our product photo with AI model on clothing. So you can generate according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.